Today I'll show you how to unsubscribe from unwanted emails in Gmail. Before we start, there's one important thing to understand. Gmail does not usually have one universal button that instantly unsubscribes you from every email list at the same time. Instead, Gmail gives you tools that make the process much faster, so you can remove yourself from unwanted mailing lists in just a few clicks. First, open Gmail on your computer. Using the desktop version is usually the easiest way to manage subscriptions because you can clearly see more options and review senders faster. Once Gmail loads, look at the menu on the left side and click More if needed. In supported accounts, you may see a section called Manage Subscriptions. Open that section to view a list of mailing lists and promotional senders that regularly email you. This page is helpful because Gmail groups those senders in one place, so you don't need to open emails one by one to find the unsubscribe link. You can scroll through the list, review which senders contact you most often, and decide which ones you no longer want in your inbox. If you see a brand, store, newsletter, or service you're no longer interested in, click Unsubscribe next to that sender. In some cases, Gmail will handle the unsubscribe request for you right away. In other cases, Gmail may redirect you to the sender's website, where you'll need to confirm the removal manually. That part depends on how the sender manages their email list. You can also unsubscribe directly from an individual email. Just open a promotional or newsletter email and look near the sender's name at the top. If Gmail detects that it's a mailing list, you'll often see an unsubscribe option there. Click it, confirm the action, and Gmail will send the request. Keep in mind that unsubscribing is not always instant. Some senders may take a few days to fully stop sending emails, so don't worry if you still receive one or two more messages after unsubscribing. Also, this feature works best for legitimate mailing lists. It may not work the same way for spam or suspicious emails. For those, it's better to use report spam or block instead. So, while Gmail doesn't offer a true unsubscribe all button for every message at once, the built-in unsubscribe tools and subscription management options make cleaning up your inbox much easier and much faster. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.